Hello guys, welcome back to Freebies, where you get everything for free, we don't pay a dime. Today's tutorial is on how to create free Spotify Premium without paying anything. Let's just get straight into it. So first of all, I will open my Spotify app. This is it. And then click on, you see, so we'll be using their free trial to access the premium for free without paying anything, and it goes for 3 months. So go premium. So this is how it looks. So with the premium, you get access to free ad, download offline, play songs, high audio quality, listen with friends, and also organize listening queue. So get started. Don't forget you will need your credit card or any payment details to continue. So continue with Spotify. So you have to enter my credit card details here. So you can go ahead and enter yours. Make sure you enter it correctly. So afterwards, can I just click on go? Okay. So this is it. I've got premium, okay? So I'm now on premium. So I'll open Spotify. If I open, so now I can download music offline. Let me show it to you. So settings. Okay. Account. So you can see premium individual, and it will be valid for 3 good months. Okay, so you can make use of this, and don't forget this promo ends in 9 days from now. So make sure to make use of this. Don't forget to subscribe to Freebies if it worked for you. We do post tutorials every week from Netflix, wherever you want. Just put in the comment section, like, share, and also help your friends. Freebies.